I was voting for number 1 because I went to school with him. But number 3 was really kick-ass all the time because he was always really hopped up on caffeine. So I think number 3 probably would win. But number 2, he's gonna get in there because he was always so feisty. We would get drunk and he would just keep fighting. We'd say, dude, it's over. Just put it, go to bed, man. It's over. Just quit it, man. It's over. But that's what number 2 may win. I don't know. So that's it. That's what I think. 1, 3,